Hi guys, and welcome to the next video in my Build Watch series. As you can see, we have now exterior doors that have been installed, and we also have windows. So these are the front two windows in the office that's on the front of the home. And this is the window in the kitchen that will be above the sink. And this is the back exterior door. And also the windows in the great room. Not sure why I skipped over the dining room windows, but those have been installed as well. You'll also see that the HVAC system has been installed as well. And this is some of the wiring that goes upstairs to the furnace. Not sure exactly what this is for or what it does, but it runs all the way upstairs across the roof and into the furnace. An interesting fact about these metal plates that you'll see, actually I received some information from my home inspector regarding those metal plates and what they are for. Yes, I did hire a home inspector, and the next video will be about what he found. So stay tuned for that one. Here you can see just more of the ductwork and downstairs vents. Even more of the ductwork and vents. I think this is still downstairs in the hall and the office. And here is just up the stairs. You'll see that big return that actually goes to the furnace, which is just behind this wall. So here you can see more of the ductwork upstairs in the roof, or in the ceiling, I guess, where they're all strapped and secured in place. And there is the actual furnace. So this furnace is upstairs in a hall closet. I've shown you the location of it in prior videos. It will be right next to a closet which will house the water heater as well. So you can get a really good shot here of all of the duct work and how it flows into each of the rooms. They look like giant spider legs to me. And they go all the way down. Again, this is a return that will be in a wall at the end of the upstairs hallway that's just beside one of the bedroom closets. And more of the straps and the vents into one of the upstairs bedrooms. Here in the owner's bathroom, you can see the vents on the right and the fan, the bathroom fan, on the left. The home inspector gave me some interesting information about that bathroom fan as well. I'll share that in the next video. So here's where everything kind of gathers back and goes back down together. And that big metal, or the wiring from downstairs that went up through the ceiling, this is that wire upstairs that comes up across the wall and all the way across the ceiling and back down into the furnace. So that's it for now. A lot is happening, so subscribe if you haven't already. I have a lot of videos coming up, and thank you for watching.